Yes, this is the Samsung TV 42 inches having a blank screen horizontal having joints. So what we do, we lose our TV. After losing the TV, you get the power board, the main board. These are the screen uh, functional boards. Yes, screen functional board. Now, mind you, you should not experiment this when if you are not a technician. This is only to instruct you when your screen damage. It's not all screen damage you go and get a new screen. You could do it yourself. So this is our screen. And if you could observe vividly, the horizontal part, you could see some bits connection terminal. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to ensure there is equal distribution of voltage among each terminal of the bit, because some matter have been short. That is why we are having breakage of signal. So you could observe vividly. You could see the bit. You sometimes could be myopic in viewing. You make use of magnifier to ensure perfect view. So these are the bits by the edges. So what we're going to do now, we're going to ensure equal distribution of voltage after checking our voltage modem of the TV online. You could see the video, the distribution. Yes, this is it. We put on our TV. After being putting on, we are going to read to see if there is any terminal that is short of voltage, which we believe that the blank parts must be short of distribution of voltage. So what do we do? I'll take my multimeter after being connected the black terminal to it. I'll put it on voltage reading, DC voltage precise, so I could read voltage distribution among the terminal. You could see that there is no distribution in the blank part. Some part has distribution, so the part there is no distribution, we have the same terminal where there is distribution on the viewing screen. So once we discover the part there is no distribution of voltage in the blank terminal bit, in the black terminal bit, so you could see that 0 point. Once you've discovered that, you are the same terminal applied to that viewing part, you observe the same point of contact in that viewing part. So there is a distribution in the viewing part, then you make a connection, a contact between the viewing part. After before you do this, ensure that your TV is switched off. So I'm doing the connection. Be careful not to mess up the bed in that section. I'm doing the connection. I've connected from the viewing part, so I'm taking it to the blank section bed that have that same terminal where there is no distribution of voltage. What I'm doing now is I've taken the voltage from where there is voltage to a terminal where there is no voltage, so that there will be a distribution there. Same, I've fixed it, but it's not that firm. Let's ensure that we make it firm. I'm going to solder it proper so that it will have a good contact. Yes, so that's it. Very simple. Now you could see it vividly at the spark side of the before the last terminal. You can see it, same connection here at the part side before the last terminal. So there is no difficulties there. Then we cannot put on our TV. So you can see now the viewing is clear. There is a distribution on both parts now. So your screen it's no longer having, it's now a full screen view. So if you found this page interesting, friendly, like, follow, comment, and follow us on our page for more interesting and more informative technicality on how you can minimize damage on your screen. This is very important. Like and follow our page for more technical skills for technicians out there. Even if you are interested, we could render more training how you could service your couple net at home on your own.